Hey guys, just wanted to bring something to your notice. Um, like I've been telling you on the group as well, as you can see, um, as per our Nifty golden levels, this level is very crucial. There's high chance that the market might retrace a little bit, till about 690 odd. If this level, however, this level breaks, we are going down towards 11,600. Just wanted to show you one thing that see the power of our levels. Like you guys already know, if the final level जो फाइनल लेवल है if अगर वो टूट जाता है so the stock is obviously going to be in sell mode. So even if the market is trying to bounce back, as you can see, Indusind Bank, as it has broken its final level, it just continues to have selling pressure. You know, continues to have selling pressure. This is all I wanted to just show you. The trade that we took today was India Bull Housing Finance, sold at around 778, 779 levels, covered around 770, 771. It's a solid 1% move, right? Booked our profit again, final level broken 1%. Like you guys already know, 1% move is gonna come no matter what. That's why, as Indusind hasn't given its full move on the downside, even if we take it from here about 1732, so 1732 minus 1%, we should be hitting 1715. If the market, however, goes against us, goes in the buy, it goes on the upside, Indusind at the most will become sideways, or it'll continue to have selling pressure. Alright guys, that's all I wanted to share. Thanks. Yeah, so as you guys know, I do trade with 10 minutes, but sometimes see, you need to combine technicals with the levels, right? So final level is broken. Now we're seeing that the market is gone into a sideways mode, right? So just to get a slight confirmation that this is a good trade that we're in, and short covering doesn't come in. Just to confirm, we're looking at a we just drill down into 3 minutes, and as you can see, there is a small flag pattern, or you can say a triangle pattern, which is emerging here. I'd like to call it a triangle pattern, is because the shape is somewhat like that. So as you can see, we're hovering around the bottom trend line. This level breaks this 17, 28, 27 levels, this zone. If this breaks down, we'll be getting the momentum that we've been waiting for. We'll update you soon. Alright guys. Guys, just wanted to give you another update. As you can see, I had updated you guys on the group as well that I booked profit in India Bull Housing somewhere around this region, 771, 770 levels. And I did tell you guys it might go lower. And as you can see, it's going lower. Okay. So that's the power of the levels. And coming back to Indusind Bank, as I was saying in the previous update, that we were looking for this zone to break. It's almost broken. Let's come back to a 3 minute chart. Yeah, the market is still sideways, but I have a strong feeling this should break and we should be heading lower. बस टारगेट आना पड़ता है, जब फाइनल लेवल ब्रेक होता है तो टारगेट आना ही पड़ता है. इट्स वेरी रेयर ओकेजन आपको ऐसा मिलेगा जब आपको टारगेट आपका अचीव नहीं हुआ. मैंने आपको जैसा बोला था, मार्केट अगर साइडवेज में आ रही है, या तो ये साइडवेज चले जाएगा या ये नीचे आ जाएगा, राइट? सो देयर यू गो गाइस, आई विल अपडेट यू सून. बाय बाय. Hey guys, one more important update. So still Indusind Bank waiting patiently for our targets to come. See, that's the power of the levels. Once you take the right entry at the right time, stress free trading है. you know टारगेट नहीं भी आएगा तो क्या है, कोई बात नहीं, कॉस्ट टू कॉस्ट के आसपास एग्जिट हो जाएंगे, छोटे से प्रॉफिट में एग्जिट हो जाएंगे, ऑलरेडी इन प्रॉफिट, हमारी एंट्री तो हमारे रूल्स के हिसाब से हमने जो ले रखी है तो इस पॉइंट से है। तो अब वीवैप के भी ऊपर हमारी एंट्री है, सो पेशेंटली वेटिंग। 2930 के आसपास हमारी एंट्री है इस लेवल पे एक्चुअली, सॉरी, या सो स्टिल वेटिंग, लेट्स कीप अ वॉच। मैं एक चीज़ आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहता था कि एक और चीज़ भी आपको ट्रैक करते रहनी चाहिए, वो है कि इसको पूरा साइडवेज रखा हुआ है आज स्टॉक को, इसी छोटे से पैटर्न के अंदर वो चले जा रहा है। अभी मैं दिखाना चाहता था आपको बट वो ऑलरेडी बाउंस कर गया। ये 1726 का जो लेवल है आपका, 1726 का जो आपका लेवल है, तो वहाँ पे मैं दिखाना चाहता था आपको कि बायर्स कितने हैं, राइट। आई वांटेड टू शो यू दैट। देखते हैं अगर प्राइस वापस वहाँ पे आता है तो आपको मैं दिखाऊंगा। इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कीप watching the buyers and sellers also at crucial technical zones। ओके, जैसे ये देखिए 1727 यहाँ पे रोक के रखा हुआ है, ये जो बायर्स का, ये देखो झुंड बन गया है बायर्स का, इन्होंने यहाँ पे प्राइस को रोक रखा है। अब यहीं पर ही क्यों है बायर्स, इसके पीछे रीज़न है क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक ट्रेंड लाइन है, ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट जोन है इस स्टॉक का। सो यू हैव टू मिक्स टेक्निकल्स विद द ऑफ कोर्स विद आवर इंट्राडे लेवल्स। सी एक झुंड बना हुआ है यहाँ पे, देखो स्टॉक को नीचे नहीं जाने दे रहे। लेट्स सी if the sellers dominate it or not। चलो इसमें तो टाइम भी लग सकता है, as you can see the time it's 12:22। let's see क्या होता है, I'll update you। मेरा स्टॉप लॉस तो मैंने काफ़ी नीचे ट्रेल कर दिया, मैक्सिमम ₹1 का स्टॉप लॉस होगा मेरा, सो लेट्स सी, ₹1-2 का। आई विल अपडेट यू सून। थैंक्स, वेलकम बैक गाइस। सो एज यू कैन सी स्टॉक इज स्टिल टीजिंग अस। अब और टाइट कर दिया मैंने स्टॉप लॉस। सी 1726, लेट मी जस्ट मार्क द लेवल, यही है क्रूशियल लेवल, यहीं से देखो बाउंस आया जा रहा है। सो यू शुड ऑल्सो बी एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई दीज थिंग्स एज वेल। आपको इस पे सपोर्ट है ना ये, सो और ये कैसे आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हैं, ये हमने कोई प्रीवियस लेवल्स नहीं मार्क किए हुए हैं ना कोई और चीज़ है, ये सिंपल सी चीज़ है। यहाँ पे बायर्स इस लेवल को डिफेंड करने की बहुत बहुत कोशिश कर रहे हैं। आपको बिड और ऑफर जो मार्केट, सॉरी इसको मार्केट डेप्थ कहते हैं, उसको क्लोजली देखते रहना चाहिए। उससे भी बहुत बार उसी से ही ट्रेड्स आपके मिल जाते हैं आपको बहुत बार। सी अभी दिखा नहीं रहे 1726, आप जैसे ही देखोगे वहाँ पे आप देखना कितने सारे बायर्स बैठे हुए हैं। अभी आप, और आपको ब्रीफ आइडिया लगाना है कि ये देखिए 2000, और बाकी ऑर्डर्स देखो ऑल अंडर 500, अंडर 300 ऑल्सो यू कैन से। बस उस लेवल पे 2000 बायर्स हैं। नाउ इट्स वेरी वेरी क्रूशल टू अंडरस्टैंड, अगर ये जो लेवल है 1726 का, अगर ये ब्रेक डाउन होता है, यहाँ पे कई सारी चीज़ें कोइंसाइड करेंगी, देन डेफिनेटली वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट कि हमें एक अच्छा मोमेंटम एटलीस्ट 7-8 पॉइंट का यहाँ से मिल जाना चाहिए, जो मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ। रेस्ट we'll keep patient। We already booked a nice profit in Yamur Housing Finance, so it's okay। We have, there's no way that we can exit this trade in a loss, this is our cost, so tension free, relax trading। Alright guys, I'll update you if this 1726 level breaks down, either way। See, yeah, 2300, so there's another learning, should keep a watch, If you're in a trade, you should keep a watch. बहुत बार support resistance level या कोई crucial level के basis पे exit करने के बजाय स्टॉक बहुत अलग जगह से यू टर्न ले लेता है. नॉर्मली वो जो जगह होती है यू टर्न लेने वाली स्टॉक की, वो इधर आप मार्केट डेप्थ से आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो. ओके गाइस, आई कांट कीप यू इन द वीडियो बिकॉज पता नहीं ये लेवल टूटेगा नहीं टूटेगा, टूटेगा भी तो कब टूटेगा. सो वेन एवर significant move up or down happens, I will start recording again. See, 2200. Okay. Okay, guys, we've come very close again. See, buyers are supporting this level. See, now let's see whether it breaks or not. Let's watch it. Market giving a little bit of selling pressure. That's a good sign. Bank Nifty, yes, selling pressure. So let's see whether Indusind follows or not. See, again bounce from here. See, कभी कभी होता है ऐसा. India Bull Housing Finance में we couldn't book that huge profit. We chose Indusind Bank in terms of basically, see, we entered India Bull Housing Finance around these levels and exited around these levels. Okay. Now 1% का move जो मेरे को expected होता है वो तो इसने दिया ही. उसके आगे if I said it could go further down because momentum दिख रहा था stock में. However, मैं because इसमें future लेके नहीं घुसा था. Sometimes it's bad luck. It's okay. I missed this move. It's fine. I still booked a decent profit here. I chose to stay in Indusind Bank because I got a order, my desired order in this. So sometimes that happens. It's okay. Tomorrow you might get the larger momentum stock and hold that for a longer period of time. See, as long as you're in profit, it's all good. As long as your strategy is working, as long as your discipline is maintained, as long as you're making profits, you're making small profits, accepted. Making big profits, great. Small losses, still accepted. But one thing that is not acceptable at all is to make a big loss, right? See, it's still teasing us here. Normally, when the stock takes so much time, normally, when the stock takes so much time at a level and refuses to break it down, it ends up bouncing back. Because see what happens, psychology को समझो. जो लोग शॉर्ट्स में होते हैं वो उनकी पेशेंस रन आउट हो जाती है. वो देखते हैं यार ये लेवल टूट ही नहीं रहा, टूट ही नहीं रहा. Okay, and they start covering their shorts. As a result, short covering happens and stock starts running up very fast because they all start, closing their orders and buying starts happening. All right. We, however, will not be participating in that because our stop loss now is at our cost, so we can't lose any money in this trade. Okay, guys. All right. I'll update you again later. Bye bye. Another interesting observation, guys. See, now the opposite has happened. Earlier, at 1726 level was acting as a very strong support. Now, as you can see, the same level has this zone has turned into a resistance. Okay, just wanted to share that. See, 1725. See this? Now the sellers are active here. So basically, what I'm trying to show you guys is that मार्केट डेप्थ के थ्रू आपको काफ़ी अच्छी इंसाइट्स मिलती हैं. तो इट्स ऑलवेज गुड टू कीप अ वॉच ऑन दिस. ये मत देखो कि बायर्स टोटल सेलर्स कम ज़्यादा हैं. दैट इज़ ऑफ नो यूज़ बिकॉज दैट कैन चेंज एट एनी टाइम. बट these specific orders that are blocking a particular price, that you should keep an eye on. Alright guys, there we go, guys. So, as expected, um, like I told you guys, 1% move हमेशा आता ही आता है. So 1729. If we take it from not 1729, actually this is where the level broke. So 1734 minus 1% is 1717, and if we see, that's exactly where we booked our profits. 1717 level. So guys, see, sometimes you have to be patient, you know. And as I've been recording the journey of this trade so far, and finally we get our reward, booked our profits. The triangle pattern broke down. You also learned how to see the market depth and see how that affects the stock. And so the 1726 level was a hurdle, and as I told you, from there we bounced back. 1726, the support turned into a resistance, and as you can see, now we're getting this fierce momentum. I've already booked my profit. Great, if it wants to go further down, it can go, but I booked my profit. I'm happy. And all right, guys, hope you liked it. So great, guys. See, you, as you can see that 1726 level broke, and patience pays, guys. लोग बोलते हैं इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग में पेशेंस की ज़रूरत नहीं है, इन्वेस्टिंग में पेशेंस की ज़रूरत है. आई डिसएग्री. इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग में और ज़्यादा पेशेंस की ज़रूरत है, राइट? सो I'll be booking my profit now soon. Let's see how big a move we get. See, mixing technicals with the levels. This is where our entry was. This was 1726 level. See, I told you 1720 will be achieved. So let's see how much momentum we get on the downside now, making a decent profit now. We'll share with you guys. All right, enjoy. If any of you took this trade and were patient enough to hold it with me. 1723 levels. Low is 1722. Let's see if that gets taken out. Yeah, touch the lows. Alright, guys, let me book my profits. I will be booking them very soon, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, bye bye. This is the last update of today. So as you can see, I had told you in the beginning that अगर ये level बहुत crucial है. I was expecting maybe एक retracement आ जाए यहाँ से. Okay. But I also said that if this level breaks on the downside, then we'll be heading towards 11,600. So that is what is happening, and we were trading accordingly. Okay. Indusind Bank, finally our levels broke. This was our target around this area, and exceed कर गया उसको. Great, fantastic. Okay, but I like to trade according to my targets. Okay, because many times it does overshoot. Sometimes you can catch a little more, but it's okay. As long as you're making money, it's all good, guys. Uh, India Bull Housing Finance, what a move. इसमें तो ठीक है, रिग्रेट तो ओके फाइन होता है दैट बहुत जल्दी एग्जिट कर दिया, बट इट्स ओके, राइट. It's given huge momentum, but also you have to understand the market was also trending today. So momentum तो मिलेगा ही मिलेगा, right? This is a huge move, massive. 6%, 7% down. Indusind 3% down. Great. So somebody was asking me, I think, yeah. So somebody was asking, did I re-enter Indusind? Sorry, India Bulls. No, I did not re-enter it. Reason being, I was into Indusind Bank. So I did not re-enter India Bull Housing Finance. And mostly, a trade that I've already exited in profit. My style or my trade plan tells me that You exited a trade in profit, M2M में profit आ गया है, आपका profit book हो गया उसमें. I don't normally don't re-enter the same stock. That's the way I trade. Okay. Um, Basically, the choice was between this India Bull Housing Finance and Indusind Bank, right? इंडिया बुल ने अच्छा मोमेंटम शुरू में दे दिया तो आई बुकड आउट उसमें. अब ये चांस की बात है दैट आई डेंट हैव अ फ्यूचर इन दिस. ओके, एंड आई टोल्ड यू मेरा ऑर्डर रिजेक्ट हो गया एंड आई हैड अ फ्यूचर इन Indusind Bank, so I decided to hold this. Okay, this gave me my momentum here. India Bull gave a lot more momentum. Sometimes you catch this, sometimes you catch that. Either way, as long as you have the method, as long as you have the strategy, as long as you are following your discipline, following your rules, guys, you will make money. Okay, that's all I wanted to close this video with. So I hope you liked it, and guys, you should learn this. I mean, all right, bye bye.